What if I told you that in just 2 years, I went from having my work phone glued to my side 24/7, stressed out, feeling like I had no other options, to building a seven-figure healthcare business, and all while still keeping my day job and being a good mom, wife, all the things? I'm Dr. Heather Signorelli, and I've built a team of about 70 people serving hundreds of physicians nationwide. And the secret for me wasn't quitting my day job, it wasn't quitting medicine, but it was finding a way to use my expertise to solve problems and be creative, which at the end of the day was something I was craving. Now, don't get me wrong, this was the hardest thing I've ever done, but it's also what I've enjoyed more than anything. So if you're feeling trapped between your love for medicine and your desire for more, or you want to build a company, join me to talk about how you can build your dream business, even if you do need to do that as a side gig while continuing to work full time. And we're going to talk about that physician entrepreneur's blueprint and the resources that I've used over the years to do this successfully without going crazy. All right, look forward to talking to you guys.